Know why I pulled you over?
Because I was speeding.
Your car warranty is expired.
Like 10,000 miles ago.
You should call CarShield.
Plans through CarShield can protect most major parts and systems in your car. Your plan could save you thousands the next time your car needs a repair.
What's the catch?
Just call before your car breaks down. Then watch your covered repairs get paid.
Plans through CarShield also include extra benefits like roadside assistance, courtesy towing, help with flat or damaged tires, and lockout help.
Is this the number to call CarShield?
It's a ticket for speeding.
Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.